So over here you can see that I have a picture, and let's say I want to view details regarding this particular picture or add in details to this particular picture. Then what I can do is I can go around onto the file menu and then go to file info. So once I do that, I can start seeing the details that are associated with this particular picture. If I were to go to basic, then here you can see that there's a copyright notice right here mentioning all photos are actual vehicles in stock right here, just like this. And you can view some other details like the application. So this picture was taken using Nikon D500 right here, and it was created in this particular date and modified in this particular date right here. You can also go around and add in other details as you wish, rate the picture as well, add in keyword for searching purposes for your personal record as well, and add in document titles and author information as well. If I were to go to camera data, then you can see that there's some camera data associated with the picture. So as long as the data is there, you'll be able to see it. So here you can see that this is the make of the camera right here, that is Nikon D500, and the lens used is right here. So it's 16 to 80 mm of lens right here with f-stop 2.8 to 4.0 right here. So here you can see the focal length used as well for while taking the picture, and the exposure like 1/800th of a second shutter speed was used, and f-stop 8 was used, and ISO 800 was used right here, and so forth. And you can even see the metering details, the image size and resolution right here. So if I were to go around onto the horizon, you can see the date created right here. So not everything is there, but some of the information are there in this picture, but you can add some of them on your own as well. If there is GPS data attached with your picture, then you'll be able to see that over here as well. You can see there's no audio data right here or video data because this is a picture. And if there's any Photoshop histories like editing, then you can see it right over here as well. So there's DECOM information, like you can go around adding date of birth and so forth, as you can see right here, and just like this, and see the raw data in XML format over here as well. And that is how you can use the file info option to view the details associated with a particular image or a file inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.